Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Good evening. Welcome to the Urban Table. How may I help you tonight?
Hi, Sam. We're having a hard time deciding what to order. Could you please tell us about your restaurant's specialties?
Of course, our chef is known for his creative dishes. One of our most popular specials is the herb-infused chicken pasta. It is made with tender chicken, fresh herbs like basil and oregano, and a rich tomato sauce with extra garlic. We also have the crispy beef steak, served with a light pepper sauce and seasonal vegetables.
That sounds interesting. I like chicken pasta, but I'm a big fan of steak too. What ingredients do you use in the herb-infused chicken pasta?
For the pasta, we use penny made fresh daily. The chicken is marinated in a mix of herbs and olive oil for several hours. Then it is grilled and sliced before being mixed, with a homemade tomato and garlic sauce. The dish is garnished with fresh basil leaves.
Wow, that sounds delicious. I love fresh basil. And the crispy beef steak. How is it prepared?
The beef steak is pan-seared until it is crispy on the outside and cooked to your preference on the inside. It comes with a light pepper sauce, and we serve it with a side of steamed seasonal vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and green beans.
I'm leaning towards the beef steak, but I have some special requests. Sam, would it be possible to have the steak cooked medium rare instead of well done? I really like my meat a bit pink inside.
Absolutely, Evan. We can cook your steak medium rare. Would you like the same side of vegetables? Or would you prefer something else?
I think I'll keep the vegetables. But could you add a small portion of mashed potatoes on the side as well? I love the combination of mashed potatoes with steak.
Sure thing. I will note that down for you. A medium rare beef steak with steamed vegetables and a small serving of mashed potatoes.
For me, I am interested in the herb-infused chicken pasta. However, I would like to make a small change. Could I have extra tomato sauce on the pasta? I really enjoy a rich sauce, and I would like it a bit spicier, with a touch of chili.
Of course, Laura. I can ask the chef to add extra tomato sauce with a little chili for a bit of spice. Would you like any extra cheese on your pasta?
Yes, please. I love Parmesan cheese, so a little extra grated Parmesan would be great.
Very well. So, for you, Miss Laura, herb-infused chicken pasta with extra tomato sauce, a hint of chili, and extra Parmesan cheese. Is that correct?
Yes, that's perfect.
And for me, as I said, I'll have the beef steak cooked medium rare with steamed seasonal vegetables and a side of mashed potatoes.
Excellent choices. And for your drinks, may I offer some recommendations? We have a nice selection of beverages that pair well with our dishes.
I'm not sure what to choose. What do you suggest?
For the pasta, many customers enjoy a glass of chilled Sauvignon Blanc. It has a crisp, fruity flavor that complements the herbs and tomato sauce. For the steak, a glass of robust red wine, such as Merlot, goes very well with the beef.
That sounds good. I would like to try a glass of Merlot with my steak, please.
And I will have a glass of Sauvignon Blanc with my pasta. Also, can we have a bottle of sparkling water for the table to share?
Certainly, 1 glass of Sauvignon Blanc for you, and 1 glass of Merlot for you, sir, along with a bottle of sparkling water. Would you like any ice with your water?
Yes, please. A little ice would be nice.
Very well, I'll bring those right away. Your appetizers will arrive shortly, and your main courses should be ready in about 20 minutes.
Thank you so much, Sam. I'm really excited to try these dishes.
Yes, thank you. I appreciate your help with our special requests. It makes the meal feel more personal.
I'm really looking forward to the pasta. I love when a dish has a rich, spicy tomato sauce. It reminds me of the Italian food I had last summer.
I know what you mean, and the steak sounds amazing too. I like a bit of pepper sauce on my steak because it adds a nice kick without being too overwhelming.
Have you ever tried cooking steak at home?
I have tried a few times, but I'm not very good at it. I always overcook it. That's why I prefer having it prepared by a professional. It saves time and tastes better.
I understand. I've tried to cook pasta with tomato sauce at home, but it never tastes as good as what you find in a restaurant. There is something about the restaurant's recipe that makes it special.
Yes, and the chef here is very creative. I once heard that he uses fresh herbs from his garden to make the sauce. It really makes a difference in flavor.
That is wonderful. Fresh ingredients are always the best. I also like that they add a little spice. It makes the dish more lively and interesting.
I agree. And the mashed potatoes with the steak. Do you like mashed potatoes, Laura?
I do. I love mashed potatoes. They are creamy and go well with almost any dish. I think it is a classic side that never fails to impress.
Me too. I enjoy a good serving of mashed potatoes with my steak. It adds comfort to the meal.
By the way, do you know if the restaurant has any special desserts?
I looked at the dessert menu earlier. They have a chocolate lava cake and a fruit sorbet. The lava cake is very popular because it is warm and gooey, and the sorbet is light and refreshing.
I might order the fruit sorbet after dinner. I love something cool and fresh to end the meal.
That sounds nice. I might have a slice of the lava cake if I have room. But for now, I'm really looking forward to our main courses and drinks.
Here are your drinks. 1 glass of Sauvignon Blanc for you, Miss Laura, and 1 glass of Merlot for you, sir, along with a bottle of sparkling water with ice for the table. Also, here is your mixed green salad appetizer for both of you.
Thank you, Sam. The salad looks very fresh.
Yes, thank you. I'm excited to try everything.
I will bring your main courses out shortly. Enjoy your drinks, and let me know if you need anything else. Here we are. Miss Laura, your herb-infused chicken pasta with extra tomato sauce, chili, and extra Parmesan cheese. And sir, your beefsteak cooked medium rare, served with steamed seasonal vegetables and a side of mashed potatoes. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you, Sam. This looks delicious.
Thanks, Sam. The presentation is fantastic, and I can already smell the aroma of the spices.
Wow, the chicken is so tender, and the tomato sauce is rich and slightly spicy. I really love the extra basil on top.
This steak is perfect. It's so soft and flavorful. The pepper sauce adds a nice kick, and the mashed potatoes are creamy. I'm really enjoying this meal.
I'm glad we asked for these special requests. It makes the food even better because it suits our tastes.
Absolutely. It's nice to be able to customize our orders. I appreciate that the chef can add extra spice or change the cooking style.
And the drinks are a great match too. The Sauvignon Blanc complements my pasta, and the Merlot goes well with the steak.
Yes, the wines really enhance the flavors. I feel like this meal is one of the best dining experiences I've had in a while.
I agree, Evan. I love that we took the time to ask for our preferences. It makes the dinner more personal and enjoyable.
It really does. And it's fun to discuss the food, share our opinions, and even plan our next meal together.
Exactly. After dinner, maybe we can try another dish from the special menu, like one of the appetizers, or even a dessert.
That sounds like a great idea. I'm thinking of trying the fruit sorbet after dinner. It would be a light finish to our meal.
I might join you on that. Sometimes, sharing a dessert makes the evening even more special.
I'm happy we came to the urban table tonight. Not only is the food amazing, but the service and the ability to customize our meal really make a difference.
Yes, I'm very pleased with our choices. I enjoyed the way Sam explained the dishes and even helped us with our special requests. It made the whole dining experience very pleasant.
I think we should definitely come back here again. Next time, we can try some of the other dishes, or maybe even invite more friends to share this experience.
That would be wonderful. I always enjoy dining out with you, Evan. Our conversations make the meal even more enjoyable.
I feel the same, Laura. It's nice to share a good meal and talk about our day. Let's plan another dinner here soon.
Yes, let's do that. For now, I'll finish my pasta and enjoy this wonderful evening.
Me too, Laura. Cheers to a great meal and a lovely evening.
Cheers, Evan.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.